Introduction to JavaScript Reduce method. Reduce method is a powerful and versatile function in JavaScript's array prototype, ideal for transforming array data into a single output value, commonly used for operations like calculating sum or product of array's elements or concatenating strings. Understanding the JavaScript Reduce method. Reduce method processes array's elements using a provided reducer function to return a single output value. It doesn't change the original array. Example of reduce method calculating the sum of array elements is provided. Working of the JavaScript Reduce method. Reduce method takes two arguments, a callback function, reducer, and an optional initial value. Reducer function takes four arguments, accumulator, current value, current index, and source array. Reducer function's return value is remembered and becomes the accumulator value for the next iteration. Example of reduce method calculating the product of array elements is provided. Practical uses of reduce method to calculating array sum or product, flattening a two-dimensional array into a one-dimensional array. Example of reduce method converting a 2D array to a 1D array is provided. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Forgetting to provide the initial value can lead to unexpected results. Not returning a value in the reducer function can cause the accumulator to be undefined in the next iteration and a type error to be thrown. Always ensure to provide an initial value and return a value in the reducer function. Conclusion: JavaScript Reduce method is a powerful tool for processing and transforming array data. It can handle a wide range of tasks, from simple sums and products to complex data transformations.